I did.
Okay.
Go.
So, where were we? I know it's quad biking.
Quad biking in Palamari.
Okay, we're in Palamari. How's it going? Yeah, like we're in Palamari. Oh god.
The driver's not impressed.
We're in Palamari and I was just quad biking, you know, doing my thing, you know, everyday thing, jump out of bed, you know what I mean? I woke up like this sort of hairstyle. Well, actually, that's not good. But anyway, just coming casual wear, 3 of us. I got a little bit of video, I got a bit of courage to, you know, do 100 ting, get my phone out. I could do horizontally vertical filming, so I might upload some of the video here.